how to fix character AI can't log in or sign up, best method. If you're watching this video, you're probably having trouble logging into or signing up for character AI. Don't worry, because in today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the best methods to fix this issue, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes login issues can happen if your connection is weak or intermittent. Try opening other websites or apps to see if they load correctly. If everything is slow, consider resetting your router or switching to a more stable network. Next, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data in your browser can sometimes interfere with login process. If you're using Google Chrome, simply click on the three dots and simply go to settings, and on there go to privacy and security and simply choose clear browse data or delete browsing data. Simply click on delete browsing data. Make sure to clear both cookies and cache files and then restart your browser. If clearing the cache doesn't work, try using a different browser. Sometimes certain browsers might cause compatibility issues with websites like Character AI. Now, another common cause of login issues is using a VPN or proxy. If you're connected to a VPN, try disconnecting it. To do that, simply go to settings, and here at the top you can find a VPN option. If you have VPN installed, simply toggle that off. Some websites, including Character AI, may block logins from certain VPN or proxy IP addresses. If none of the steps above have resolved your issue, the last step is to contact Character AI support team directly. Go to their support page, submit a ticket, and explain the issue you're facing. And that's it. Hopefully, one of the steps help you resolve your login or sign up issue with Character AI.